Around 2100 to 1600 BCE, tribal groups consolidated to form more permanent city-states in the Yellow River Valley of China, creating the first Chinese dynasty, the Xia dynasty. It is likely that this consolidation occurred because of the need to solve the problem of the dangerous floods and overflow from the Yellow River that would regularly wipe out villages and crops. The mythological Yu the Great was credited with controlling the waters, but in all of world history, we have to ask, how were these pivotal turning points for women? Consolidation meant a rise in patriarchal control, more authoritarian practices, and a dramatic decline in women's status in the Yellow River Valley. Some cultures along the Yellow River had been egalitarian and matrilineal, but they rapidly disappeared because of violence and social upheaval. Ancient Chinese culture began the first steps towards a rigid ranking system that pushed women towards the bottom. Chinese women adhered to a philosophy called the three obediences. Be obedient to your father before marriage, your husband after marriage, and your son when your husband dies. Never mind the fact that she had literally created that man from her own body. Women had arranged marriages, were sometimes sold into slavery by their own fathers. Annually, a woman was plumped up and sent down the Yellow River as a sacrifice to the gods. Horrifying. That said, out of this early dynasty came a popular folk tale about a wise woman named Laonu. The children of the town came running to her, claiming that the sky was falling. She smiled as the town began preparing for the spring festival where young teenagers met to find their spouses. She patched the sky with the stars, just one of the women holding up the sky for people over the ages.